Very good afternoon, everyone. This is Manas from the hospitality desk. Today we are here to discuss about कॉमी 2 जॉब रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी। हाँ जी, आपने सारे वीडियो देखा होंगे जिसमें हमारा फूड एंड बेवरेज सर्विस का भी कुछ वीडियो है, एफएमई सर्विस का भी है, हाउसकीपिंग का भी है, किचन का भी है। तो जी हाँ दोस्तों, एक कलीग है मेरा जिसने कमेंट किया है व्हाट आर द जॉब रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज फॉर द Commi 2. So basically in the kitchen, Commi 2 is same like, captain who is the middle of Commi 3, Commi 1, and then the DCDPs and all. So he is the person is in between. He have to listen from everyone and he have to do the work with the team. So it's a very important job responsibilities for Commi 2. Okay, here we will see what the job responsibility is there in the kitchen for Commi 2. The Commi 2 is usually the entry mid-level of cook reporting to the chef de parties or Commi 1. Assist in the preparation and cooking of food in assigned section like hot kitchen, cold kitchen, in bakery, etc. etc. Mix and prepare ingredients as directed by their senior chefs. You have to follow what your senior will instruct you, where or in which section they will tell you to work. You have to work as per you assigned section. Like wash, peel, chop, cut and cook the ingredient as needed as your chef will tell. Second is cooking assistance. Help in cooking dishes according to the standardized recipes and instruction from the chef de parties or Commi 1. Plate and garnish the dishes properly before the service. Before the pickup, you have to check either the plate is garnished properly or not. Third is maintaining the hygiene, which is more important in the kitchen. Ensure the cleanliness and hygiene in the work areas. Follow food and safety and sanitation standards as per the HACCP. As per the HACCP policies, you have to maintain your hygiene standard. All right, stock and storage. Stock and storage is more important. Okay, help in receiving and storing kitchen supplies and ingredients properly. Okay, you have to help in the receiving vegetables, storage the things in the main cold store. So you have to help them. You have to storage properly. Okay, keep the things in the truck of stock level and inform your senior staff when supplies run low. You have to maintain the part stock basically. If it is getting low, you have to inform your superior so that they will order. Okay, and equipment care. Of course, the tools what you are using in the kitchen, you have to take care of that. Use kitchen tools and equipment safely and properly. Clean and store equipment after the uses. The next is teamwork, which is more important to work in a kitchen. Without teamwork, the dishes, the food cannot be tasty. Okay, cooperate with other kitchen staff and support them during busy periods. Be willing to learn from senior and follow the guidance, which is more important. Then you will learn so many things. Seventh is learning and development. Continuously improve cooking skill and the knowledge. Observe the learn new recipes and the technique in the kitchen so that you can make the same dishes the next time for the guests. Next is other duties. Assist in preparing for banquet, buffet or special event. Perform any other duties assigned by the chef de parties or sous chef. Always you have to say yes sir, yes chef, I'll do that. So you have to take initiative to do the work whatever your chef will tell. Correct? The Commi 2 is usually expected to handle more responsibility than Commi 3 is, but less than a Commi 1. Often working in a specific section with some degrees of independence while still under close the supervision. Okay, whenever you are working, you are under the supervision because you are Commi 2. Your chef is observing what you are doing. Your chef is telling you do that, do that. So this is the learning time. Basically, this is the time to make your basic strong. So guys, learn and make your basic strong and give your 100% to make tasty food. Thank you so much. Kindly subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get more notification about food and beverage services.